Welcome, beautiful people. I hope you have a good day. This will show you that unselfishness brings more happiness. See the emotion in his face when his mom has gifted him a beautiful pet on his birthday. This kid is my favorite one. This kind of quality is what we need to cultivate in our kids rather than making money and all. This shows the quality of those kids. When everyone walks away by looking at it, they just made the difference by doing the right thing. This really surprised me a lot as the old man walks along the railway track without knowing the train is behind him. A nearby worker risks his life to save him. He is a real hero. This will remind us that the police is there to save everyone. I really loved that expression of her on getting that doll. These kind of accidents or unexpected incidents will happen to everyone, and there will be some angels to rescue them. See the grandpa's happiness on seeing their child. Please love your parents and grandparents. They are the most precious gifts to you by the God. This kid is really inspiring us. Her mom is trying to train her to walk as she has cerebral palsy. Let's see what will happen after 1 year. Thanks for watching. I hope this video made your day, and please don't forget to share and like this video.